Have you been thinking about learning how to quilt, but you keep hearing horror stories about these? People going to the ER and getting stitches? I've got 7 rotary cutter safety tips for you so you can start quilting. Most of these tips are about keeping your hand from slipping. Tip number 1 is actually to use a nice, fresh, sharp blade on your rotary cutter. If you use a dull blade, you're going to have to push a whole lot harder as you're doing your cutting, and that's going to make it more likely that you're going to slip and lose control. Tip number 2, make sure you install your blade correctly. If it's installed correctly, it should spin easily, but not wobble. Always stand to cut. That way you can push straight down on your ruler and you'll have more control and your ruler won't slip. Always use your dominant hand to cut away from you. You can always move your mat instead of twisting your body around to cut in different directions. Don't try to cut too many layers at once, again, because you're going to be pushing really hard and it's more likely you'll lose control. Always be aware of where your ruler hand is. It's really easy to forget and leave your finger out here ready to be cut. If you're really worried, you can get a cut-resistant glove. Get one with grippy dots so your hand does not slide. And then, even if you do slip and hit your fingers should be safe. And finally, always replace the guard after every cut. This is like a little razor blade. If you leave it out on the table and hit your hand against it, you'll cut your hand. I especially like my new rotary cutter. It's always retracted when I'm not holding it. Check out my other videos with rotary cutting tips like how to cut straight strips and how to keep that ruler from slipping. Plus, I'd love to help you learn to quilt even if you're just a beginning sewer.